Well, dozens of lawmakers on Capitol Hill are demanding the Trump administration bring an Austin teenager home after a U.S. attorney admitted she was deported by mistake earlier this month. 19-year-old Any Lucía López Belloza was detained at the Boston airport while trying to fly home to Texas for Thanksgiving. The Idea Runberg graduate was then deported to Honduras 2 days later, despite a court order directing the U.S. to keep her in America. Today, Austin Congressman Greg Casar and Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren sent a letter signed by 80 members of Congress to Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem and Acting ICE Director Todd Lyons. In it, they raised concerns that this was not an isolated incident, writing it is, quote, the latest in a pattern of DHS deporting people based on what it admits are mistakes and in violation of court orders, and then failing to promptly rectify those mistakes despite the life-threatening or life-altering stakes of such deportations. The coalition added while they appreciate the administration admitting its mistake, they want them to fix it by allowing Annie to return home and pursue the legal options available to her. We reached out to DHS and ICE for comment on the letter and an update on the case. DHS Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin sent us a response, which reads in part, quote, there was no mistake. The court order to stop her removal was issued after she was already removed. She received full due process, including a final order of removal from a judge. Now, we should know we have reached back out to ask some questions about that statement. And again, during that court hearing earlier this month, federal attorneys did apologize and said that an ICE agent made a mistake by not flagging the case in the system as being under judicial review to stop the deportation.